So today we are going to learn another sound where two walls make a one sound. What is the sound of this letter? Sound. And what is the sound of this letter? What is the sound of this letter? A. When these two letters come together, what sound do they make? U. Do the action. U. U as in B. U. Blue. G. U. Glue. F. U. Fuel. T. Shoe. Tissue. So remember, when these two letters come together, they give a U sound. They give a U sound.